And I think sometimes Nigeria, we don't connect the dots. We are sitting down here and the whole food baskets around the country, they are being attacked and being decimated. You understand? Terrorists, full-blown terrorist attack on them. And I'm talking of, if you look at, and this is not, you look at Benue, which happens to be one of the food basket. You look at Benue, you look at Nasarawa, you look at Niger, you look at Plateau, you look at Sokoto, you look at Borno, you come to Edo North. And that's where Nigerians are supposed to sit down and say, who is it that want us to go hungry in a way that they're taking out the arable lands that we have, where we are having a lot of farmers. And then we're sitting down and say we are hungry. If you want to destroy a country by even making it starve, you're also going to destroy it. So we are not looking at this. That's why people keep saying that, oh, it's some farmer herdsmen. No, it isn't. And even when you look at places like Zamfara and other places also, you see the issue of mineral resources also coming to play. But what are we doing? We are having leaders who are not connecting the dots, who don't seem to care, who are looking at grandiose projects that are conduit pipe for them to continue to control whatever resources that they're controlling, while the country, you know, is being attacked from all sides. These are things that should worry us. And most importantly, what I always want Nigerians to know is that we are all victims waiting to happen. And then the issue that you have to ask also is that who is profiteering from the insecurity? Because it seems as if there are certain group of people who don't want the insecurity to end, and for them it keeps going on. You're putting a budget anyhow, money, conduit pipe, and a whole lot of things, you know, are going on. Let's come even to intelligence. You cannot fight insecurity without intelligence. It's not the one that you just say, oh, conventional war and all of that. We have a failing, because when it comes to intelligence gathering, we are not doing enough. And then there's no that, you know, how do I put in a collaboration between civilians and security agencies. Why? You collaborate with security agencies, you give them information, guess what is going to happen next? The terrorists are going to come exactly to you and tell you the same thing that you've reported to them. So there's no trust. But let me mention something before I quickly forget, is the fact that the military has constantly taken on, recruited and enlisted terrorists into the military.
How?
In the way they call it, what do they call it? Repentant terrorists. I have never heard in any place where you carry people and say they are repentant and then take them into your military for them to gather more information. And a lot of times,
have they been taken into the military?
No, they have been
rehabilitated and then taken back to their communities.
No. You are the journalist now. Go and check it out. They take them in. They call them repentant, you know, Boko Haram, repentant terrorists, and they are enlisted into the military, given everything, and they have access to information. And over time, even the military themselves have come to give the fact that some of them have gone back, and yet they are still enlisted. Who does that?